Ford Escape, Mazda Tribute, and Mercury Mariner owners, there's a common issue hiding beneath the surface. The right rear inner fenders and shock mounts are notorious for rusting away, a common problem that's not to be taken lightly. At Centerline Frame Auto, we specialize in addressing this issue, and the good news is it's not a major project for us. Our skilled team can replace these parts in just one day. That's right, a quick turnaround to restore your vehicle. Trust Centerline Frame Auto to handle your rust concerns. Act now and give your vehicle the care it deserves.